Hello, it's Mel again, and today I'm going to show you how to use different resources in teacher practice area. Well, first of all, click on Turn Editing On to make it red. Well, now you have editing rights. While scroll down, you can choose any topic. Well, I'm going to choose topic 16. Well, and so now, if you want to add an activity or resource, today we're going to talk about resource, just click on Add an activity or resource. Well, scroll down, resources are just a little bit down. Okay, well, here we are, we have resources. Well, just there is a variety and you can choose any and explore. It's easy, just click on here and you will see information about it, what it is, maybe some tips how to use it. Well, here we have a notable file. Well, so it's just a course resource that students can open and add a note in order to take clear and structured notes on it. So it's useful for making notes. Well, what else we have here? A book, a file. I think the most popular one, because it's rather short, a folder. So it enables a teacher to display a number of related files inside a single folder. A label, well, Lightbox Gallery. So you can add some pictures, photos, a page, well, a poster, and URL. Yeah, so maybe in order to save some space on Moodle, because sometimes I think it can be full, or maybe there aren't enough resources to keep information. Yeah, for example, in some organizations at my university, sometimes just we have such a problem. So you can give an URL so to some maybe to save some space and to save information somewhere else on Google, for example, so YouTube, etc. Well, but today I'm going to show you how to use Lightbox Gallery. So I think it's quite useful for ELT and for teaching English. Well, because so it's one of the popular activities with pictures, photos to describe them, maybe to motivate students, so to provoke some ideas, etc. So what you are going to do is just click on Lightbox Gallery, click on Add. Well, again, there are some required fields like name, so type something here, for example, the diversity of Russia. Well, you may add a description. Well, and also you can open all these sections just to change some settings. For example, image per page, show all or 10, 25, so display full caption text. Well, what else? Maybe allow comments, yes, no, make it public, well, etc. So restrict access. So just read and follow recommendations. You don't need to memorize or anything. Yeah. Well, having finished, click on Save and Display. I'm not going to do that because I have already created a gallery, so I will click on Cancel. Well, but let's imagine that I have done that. Well, so let's check so what we can see. So here is our gallery, the diversity of Russia. So that's just how it looks. Well, and if you want to add image, it's easy. So click on here, Add Images. Well, drag and drop file. So I'm going to upload just my own files, my own pictures. Well, for example, this one. So click on Upload this file. So let's wait a little. So it takes time. Okay, here we are. And then click on Add Images. Okay, now we can see that. Yeah. Well, so just that was quite easy. So now you can return to your topic. Well, that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to edit something, click on Edit button, so you may hide something, edit settings, or delete it. Yeah. Okay, well, and again, let's get back to the diversity of Russia, to my gallery. So here we can see that pictures are small, so if we can open it, so have full screen. So click on Next to view all. Yeah, so just it's easy. And close. Okay. Well, so that's all. Hope I was useful. Thank you very much.